Hey everyone, this is Frank, and welcome back to my channel, StudyPulse. If you are new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the awesome content we share. Today's video is going so you never to be an exciting one. We are diving into how to calculate hours of work experience and leadership experience, as well as hours to calculate in terms of your references in the SI scholarship application. But before we jump in, I want to give a quick shout out to our incredible community. Your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have each and every one of you on this journey. Whether you have been here from the start or you are just joining us today, you're part of something special. All right, enough of the chit chat. Let's get into the good stuff. Okay, so this video is about how to calculate SI work and leadership hours, as well as how to calculate the hours in network and civil society organizations and in terms of the SI references. I mean, it's about how to calculate hours of wherever you have worked. I mean, in terms of whether the work is employment, full-time or part-time or internship or whatever. This is based on my own experience uh, of the SR scholarship application. So for instance, let's assume that you work within this particular year period. So you work from 5th March 2012 to 6th of March 2016, okay? So within this time period of work, you just have to calculate the months within that particular time frame, okay? So in this case, or in this example, it's 49 months. Okay, then you ask yourself, how many weeks do we have in a month? Now, the question is, in every day, okay, in each day, how many hours do you work? So let's say that you work 5 hours a day. Okay, so how many days do you work in a week? So let's say you work 5 days in a week. That is 1 week. So remember that every day you work 5 hours. So it's going to be 5 hours times the number of days you work in a week. So here in this example, it's going to be 5 hours times 5 days, which will give us 25 hours. Okay? It gives us 25 hours. All right. Now, it's going to be 25 hours times the number of weeks within your time period of work. Okay, so it's going to be 25 hours times, in this case, 196 weeks, which gives us 4,900 hours. Now, this 4,900 hours is the total hours you have worked in the company. So in the company, if you hold a leadership position and you hold a work position, specifically. So let's say that this 4,900 hours in total is for you being a nurse and you being the head of the unit. Okay, so your work actually is a nurse, right? And the head of unit is considered as a leadership experience. So in the work experience, you indicate 4,900 hours in total. Okay, as your total work experience, you being a nurse, you being head of the unit. Okay. So when it comes to the leadership experience, you actually indicate how much of the 4,000 hours did you use as head of unit. So for instance, maybe 1,500 hours out of the 4,900 hours was used as head of unit. So in that case, in the leadership experience, you're going to indicate 1,500 hours. You're going to indicate 1,500 hours as head of unit. Okay, so this is basically, I mean, the easiest way to calculate for the SI work and leadership experience. Now, remember that I've always made a disclaimer. I don't work within any SI institution. This is based on my experience and then, I mean, other information from already obtained scholars and other people in getting the SI document, reading them, and then uh, making kind of experience out of some of these applications. So remember that. So don't forget to subscribe because this channel actually it's for information on scholarship applications, website, Erasmundus, and how to study in the United States. All these applications are within this particular website. So make sure you join our Telegram page, our WhatsApp page, our Facebook page, and make sure, importantly, is to subscribe to this channel because you'll be getting more information before you submit your SI scholarship application, before you submit any other scholarship application and other stuff. Okay.